Tawagan mo si Mia. Sa may nagkabi, nagbuya ko na. Awak kita na kuha, bukan na inatawa.
70. Yari sumayaw kanina.
Sini ano?
Ay, siya
Yari
yun.
yung kigikutan.
Akala ko yun. Wala na si Wonder Queen.
Si Juan, ate, Mitch pala.
Si Wonder Queen wala na.
Sino Wonder? Ay, si Juan, wala na.
Maristan. Uwi na rin.
Diyos na namin, magpasirang ka.
Wala, karo na.
Gatong ay 90 years old, 10 years ago. Sa nga, first to conference na Buniso, kalamang kaya ini ako dito. Ano rin nga ning kung ay cultural dances. Gatong ay kita na
Manabo.
icebreaker. Kapag ako kaya ako ang pinagdadada ng uniform, pinamaskarada ang ganda sa mga kada mo ni Sismiyan. At ano ba, gafuna, pinakala, agad pinapala, pinakaro, magdang Sismiyan, kami bumagi nila pa, sa kaya naman ng kuya. Anyway, Diyos na itanganin, is a great pleasure to takamuli familiar faces, anak babu ilapikwan mukha. And sobra itabenisyon na ang tama ko sa akin yung namin, winupuliso at kaigan sa naweta gabi. Yung ika 14th conference na Buniso. Ikinigita ko at Buniso na i-conference na Buniso ay atong gift giving. Ari itong honoring of pastor. Yung ay parte lamang ng conference. Kasi conference siya pagbilidan, discuss yung kung nasa ila i-abuan specific to pagbilidan niya. Ipagbilidan niya sa way strengthening our participation in missions. So, speaker ni si Bishop, sobrang karoon na discuss namin yan nung katong. Pero sila natin ay mas madipin i-involvement ni mission. Kasi yan goal na iglesia kami sa nawin na dagong. Manunong tam i-theme na 33rd anniversary na CBCC ay deepening our commitment to missions, local and abroad, or home and abroad. So yung gabi ay tagday highlights na conference. Ligamuta ikaya ani idan to honor namin i-pastors ng ilang i-dedicate da ibagida fully ta service ni Lord. Nagyayaw kaya ako din nananalig na kaya ako ako yung opportunity to magbalabado para namin to na nung daw conference. Nawak mo namin WMS members na district chairs na magmuluma to distrito kan namin sumuyaw na sa naway na dagong. Kaya ko i-acknowledge chairman or chairwoman ng kada distrito. Northern District si Sister Nilda Regualos. So, dyan Sister Nilda. Eastern District si Sister Nida Baguno. Western District 1 si Lisa ang Magwan. So, dyan Lisa. Okay. ay si Sister Armin Ong. Ang the Planters District ay si Sister Des Kabawatan. Yung kira ikabluko, kasi kang kira to babay, to kanan yung kabluko mag-organize, takon na to pagtaragay kami. Thank you tali ka mong aming kasuportano, tali ka kanyawa, to si Kadda, to Gada, anak kwarto da. Kapit na oyami makwayo eh. So, thank you ta Womiso, na magayaya kami ngaming takit ganun ta sa ngawin. God bless us all.
Magbalo, Teacher Vita. Kung makaskala pa ito, nasingam na witness mi talent mo, Teacher, sa mga bilaan mo kay Gero. Okay. Kasi very humble talaga yaya. Maski Dr. Yaya, may na pagkakaya, PhD yaya ta invitation. Kunwari yaya po. Asa nga we, para i-welcome po yung aming pastors ay pag-alang Vice President ng Central District, si Sister Ruth Aguilar.
Sakto lang ba ang gabi?
Hello, Mark. Yes. Diyos sa gabi, kanitangami. Dakal ifutumi, welcome, imedul, pastors, tang ira, sa ngawin nga gabi. Amin na tag-gitarad, dayang kari, yung tatag-gitarad, dayang tama balitan sa next year. So, ikiningwami, per district na lang. So, on behalf of the Womiso, we wholeheartedly welcome our beloved pastors. Mabalabalo kami kamutatong kuruga makababaw inabalingan na CBCC. Kaputa okay. Makababaw inabalingan na CBCC kaya mubuntibo i-welcome na Womiso, father and founder na CBCC in the person of Bishop Jaime Ginab. Next, sono agala ko magirodo ta per district no pati pastors kira na per na payagan natin managdatamga. Ani? Ta Central District kaya ko agalang si Reverend Pastor E. Herson Ong. Pati pa pastors sa Central District. Next, sa Southern District. Agala ko gabus iduato pastors tumangirondo si Pastor John Bautista and Pastor Bert Bingat kumega patapa pastors ng Southern District. Next, pag Northern District agala mi si Pastor Ray Gumalang kumega patapa pastors na Iran. Para sa Western District 1, agalan mo ti Pastor Ronnie Camayo. Pati pa pastors na ilan. Sa Western District 2, agalan mo si Pastor Mike Picata. Sa Eastern District, si Iroluan ni Pastor Noel Ginab. And last but not the least, we have the Planters District, Iroluan ni Pastor Noel Kabawatan. Okay, mabalo, Diyos, all glory and praise to our beloved Almighty God.
juncture, eko galang EWMS President, Teacher Vita Dingab, para ta awarding of plaque of recognition.
Yung special event to kami dati kinikuha na pass to conference ng WMS. Kaya ni-recognize na ni pastors to na-serve tayaku from 25 years pataas. Inatang mo qualify ka mo. Okay. So, actually, apa ito na-qualify na criteria to pinigwani. 25 years na service pataas. Sunod dyan na district chair.
Bakang labi bagito bang? Ano want to bagito bang?
Ang ating district chair sa WMS
Ano ulit ka na pa sa-
ay paggamit ito sa suntan award kami sa special recognition pastors. Kapagyawa ng honor na nila kapaserbi na tayaku for 25 years pataas. Although to kaya nila ito plaque of recognition ay si Reverend Bishop Jaime P. Dino. Republic of the Philippines Women's Missionary Society of Philippines, Kabagan Isabela, awards this plaque of recognition to Reverend Bishop Jaime P. Dino in grateful recognition of his 33 years of faithful, dedicated, and wholehearted service to the Lord and to His church. His unselfish commitment to pursue his calling in reaching out local and global communities, spreading the gospel, mentoring disciples, planting strong churches, and Bible translation has motivated fellow pastors to do better, serve better, and live with godly purpose. His good example has been a model and inspiration to the entire congregation of the Kabagan Bible Community Church, given this 20th day of December 2025 during the 14th conference at the Women's Missionary Society held at CBCC Anao, Kabagan, Isabela. Signed, President of WMS Maria Visitacion Dino. May kadwa tulo kaya ang higdan mo recognition Reverend Noel P. Dino. The WMS Philippines Kabagan Isabela awards this plaque of recognition to Reverend Noel P. in grateful recognition of his 26 years of faithful service to San Pablo Bible Community Church, San Pablo, Isabela. His incomparable and unwavering commitment to preaching the gospel, nurturing God's people, and shepherding the flock with love and integrity served an inspiration to the entire congregation of the Kabagan Bible Community Church, presented this 20th day of December 2025 during the 14th Conference of the Women's Missionary Society held at CBCC Anao, Kabagan, Isabela. Signed, President of WMS Maria Visitacion P. Dino. Ikakatulong kaya ni Dang Plaque of Recognition ay si Reverend Gerson D. Ong. The WMS Philippines, Kabagan Sakela, awards this plaque of recognition to Reverend Gerson D. Ong in grateful recognition of his 25th years or 25 years of faithful service in the University Bible Community Church, Angan Kasitian, Kabagan, Isabela. His incomparable and unwavering commitment to preaching the gospel, nurturing God's people, and shepherding the flock with love and integrity served an inspiration to the entire congregation of the Kabagan Bible Community Church. Presented this 20th day of December 2025 during the 14th Conference of the WMS held at CBCC Anao, Kabagan, Isabela. Signed, the President of the WMS, Maria Visitacion P. Dino. Ang ultimo ay kayang yawa ni a plaque of recognition to Pastor Edwin S. Bagno, represented by his wife, si Sister Ode. The WMS Philippines awards this plaque of recognition in loving memory of Pastor Edwin S. Bagno, born May 17, 1956, and died October 24, 2025. In heartfelt recognition of his remarkable dedication, unwavering faith, and exceptional service for 25 years at Limbawan Bible Community Church, San Pablo, Isabela. Though he has gone to be with the Lord, his legacy of spiritual leadership and service continues to shine in the hearts and lives of the church community. Presented this 20th day of December 2025 during the 14th Conference of the WMS held at CBCC Anao, Kabagan, Isabela. Well done, good and faithful servant. Signed, President of the WMS, Maria Visitacion P. Gino. Sa mga kaya ni presenta ka ni kamu, may maganikaran ula to elders na iglesia na CBCC. I-elders ang ila ay ila spiritual leaders who are responsible to the primary oversight and leadership of the church. The elders set the mission and vision of this church, asking God what He wants to accomplish. Then they lead the church in the direction the Lord is asking the church to lead. Kaya agalang i-chairman na Board of Elders, Reverend Bishop Jaime P. Gino. Reverend Person Dion, Chairman of the Central District. Reverend Noel P. Dino, the Chairman of the Eastern District. Reverend Reynold Gumilan, the Chairman of the Northern District. And Reverend John Bautista of the Southern District.
Ay samuwi at tanggin ng i-mensahe at kumit agalang i-meddu na CBCC founder na we na iglesia tang awan tanawan na si ipinakagwapa ang naming pastor Bishop Jaime Dina.
Supposto si Sister Linay, si Sister Judith, so ganyan na kami. Ano ka nila? Nag-practice yan nila. Ha? Ano ito? Nagatalas. Sintang kaliatan nila. Kaya siya ang pag-i-Christmas ito. Karanat pag-i-uniso. Kay Pastor sila. Yung ibang pero Marcos kung Pastor mo. Pastor Jeff.